code-genie.ai, customer support. Most of us have experienced friendly live chat customer support features on websites. Chatbots work 24/7 to answer visitor questions immediately. Companies build knowledge bases by studying frequently asked questions. Once collected, chatbots use these knowledge repositories to identify the content of questions and provide answers to common questions quickly. When questions are too complex, the chatbot refers visitors to a human customer support representative. The purpose is to reduce traffic to live support staff and expedite the process. Visitors get answers to simple questions immediately. At the same time, the company gets to rely on its experienced customer support representatives for more complex queries. The result is better efficiency and enhanced customer experience. AI can analyze customer sentiment through sentiment analysis techniques applied to customer interactions, such as chat transcripts or social media conversations. This enables customer support teams to identify and address potential issues promptly, providing proactive assistance and improving overall customer satisfaction. AI can empower customers with self-service options by providing comprehensive knowledge bases, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides. AI-powered language translation capabilities can bridge language barriers and provide multilingual support. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. Visit us at code-genie.ai. Please click the subscribe